Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel pending payment in PayPal. PayPal allows you to cancel a payment if its status is pending and the recipient has not yet accepted or claimed the money. Canceling a payment helps you stop transaction before it is completed and the funds are transferred. First, what you can do is open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down paypal.com and enter it. And over here, once you get into this interface of your PayPal, and make sure to log into your account as well. Over here in the top we can find to this activity section here. Select to this activity, and this page shows all recent transactions including payments and receipt. And over here you'll also find the payments. To open the transaction details, if you have any of the pending payment, then you can cancel the payment anytime if there's a pending payment of yours, and once cancelled the payment will not be sent to the recipients. And cancelling a payment on PayPal is simple if your transaction has not yet been claimed or completed, and by going to this activity session and opening the transaction details and selecting cancel, you can stop the payment and ensure the funds remain in your account and return to your original payment source. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.